Do you find yourself having trouble sitting still or quieting your mind? This is a short meditation that is very helpful to clearing the clutter in your head. Thought forms accumulate around you, feeding the monkey mind. When you take a few minutes to clear the thought forms, you will find more peace, and it quiets your mind and your life. You will also be able to create more of what you would like to experience, rather than repeating the past or creating your worries and ego. This is a brief meditation to clear the clutter in your head. This can be done before meditation, at the start of your day, or any time you are feeling the anxious monkey mind. Close your eyes and focus on your breath. Feel it slowing down. Bring your awareness to your heart chakra. Feel your breath as you breathe through the heart chakra area. Feel your heart expand with every intake of breath, and let a calm wash over you on the exhale. Bring your awareness to the area around your shoulders and head. Notice all the chaos or chaotic thoughts, energies, or feelings that accumulate there. Your intention is to release all of the thoughts that are stuck here. Release any thought forms from yourself or the ones you have picked up from others. See all the thoughts lift off into the light that is all around you. You are releasing their hold on you and releasing your attachment to them. Once you sense the quietness of having all the thoughts released, bring your awareness to the back of your head, where a high ponytail would be, or in the back of your third eye chakra. Notice the silence there. Now bring your awareness to your heart. Stay there for a minute and sense the opening of your heart. Here you will continue the second half of the meditation, in which we will activate and align our chakras. Take a few deep breaths and imagine your body relaxing. Bring your awareness to the base or root chakra, where you feel into this chakra. When you feel this chakra, say to yourself, not aloud, activate, and feel your root energetically activate. Now bring your awareness to your second chakra, the sacral chakra. When you feel into the chakra, say to yourself, activate, and feel your sacral energetic activate. Imagine the root chakra aligns with the sacral chakra. These chakras are now in perfect alignment and activated. Now bring your awareness to your third chakra, the solar plexus. When you feel into that chakra, say to yourself, activate, and feel your solar plexus energetically activate. Imagine now the root, the sacral chakras aligning with the solar plexus. They are all now in perfect alignment. Now bring your awareness to your fourth chakra, the heart. When you feel into this chakra, say to yourself, activate, and feel your heart energetically activate. Imagine the root, sacral, and solar plexus chakra align with your heart. They are all now in perfect alignment and activated. Now bring your awareness to your fifth chakra, the throat chakra. When you feel into that chakra, say to yourself, activate, and feel your throat energetically activate. Imagine the root, sacral, solar plexus, and heart align with your throat. Now your root, sacral, solar plexus, heart, and throat chakras are in perfect alignment. Now we bring our awareness to the sixth chakra, the third eye chakra. When you feel into this chakra, say to yourself, activate, and feel your third eye energetically activate. Imagine the root, sacral, solar plexus, heart, and throat align with your third eye. Now your root, sacral, solar plexus, heart, throat, and third eye chakra are in perfect alignment and fully activated. Now bring your awareness to the seventh chakra, the crown chakra. When you feel into this chakra, say to yourself, activate, and feel your crown energetically activate. Imagine the root, sacral, solar plexus, heart, throat, and third eye align with your crown. Now your root, solar plexus, heart, throat, third eye, and crown chakra are in perfect alignment. Now bring your awareness to your eighth chakra. When you feel into this chakra, say to yourself, activate, and feel your eighth chakra activate energetically. Imagine the root, sacral, solar plexus, heart, throat, third eye, and crown chakra align with your eighth chakra. Now your root, sacral, solar plexus, heart, throat, third eye, crown, and eighth chakras are in perfect alignment and fully activated. Now feel the energy open and activate around your whole body, like the toroidal field. The movement of this activation completes the energy system. Stay present without thoughts. Be the observer of your awareness and the energy of the toroidal field. Now open your eyes and come back to the here and now.